Yeah, I've got you in.
You got me in?
Yeah.
Oh, that feels good.
Cheeky git.
Hello and welcome to HitchUpAndTow. Today we've had a couple of things come through the post. Firstly, a letter from Motorhome Chit Chat with a sticker. So that'll be going on the van somewhere. And also, I have a big box. Now I hope it's what I think it is. If not, it's going to be a really weird unboxing. I just thought we have ordered other stuff as well. So, let's have a look. Break it. Should have got that, I think. There we go. Okay, now I have got a little present.
For me,
Yeah, because you said you wanted a new bag.
the beach bag I said I wanted.
So
Oh my god.
I got you a bag.
Shop and tow bag.
Yeah. Happy Mother's Day.
Oh, thank you. That's lovely.
Okay?
You want me to take that at the beach?
Yeah, everywhere you go. On your
Right.
shoulder, looks nice. No?
Okay, it's white, so it'll go nice to the orange on the beach, but lovely, thank you.
Now I've got
God knows what else is bought.
Right, open it away. Need a knife. Not knife this time. So, ready?
I'm ready.
You sure?
Yeah. Hitch up and tow mugs. Let me just. Very nice.
But they're very special mugs. Because
Are
they're
they?
for left-handed people
Yeah.
or right-handed people.
That is lovely.
See?
Can I just ask the size of the box? How many of these have you bought? I mean, I know the stickers were 66, so I'm praying to God you haven't bought 66 mugs.
No, I brought a few of these ones
Right.
and 2 different ones.
Okay.
But they're all labelled up the same, so I don't know if I can find the different one.
Why 2 different ones?
If we can find it. Ah, here, well, that's good luck. Ready?
Okay. Don't help me.
Now, I've only brought 2 of these,
That's the same as the last one.
but when you're left-handed,
Oh my God. That's us.
yeah. So I thought we could have these, you see.
Right.
And the other ones, we could possibly give away to our fans. Because we got millions of them, according to
We
you.
have got millions of them, but we've still got 66 stickers.
I know. So
Hang on, can we back up? How many did you say you bought?
I only got, well, they're only tried at the moment, so I've already got 4 of the ones to give away.
Right, 4 to give away and
2 we've got
for,
ourselves.
for our caravan.
So I don't know whether to wait until we get so many subscribers
Right.
or not. What do you reckon?
I have no idea. Because if you wait till you get, say, 1,000 subscribers,
They'd be obsolete.
And the thousands one gives you a like or whatever it is, or subscribes, and you give them the mug, and then they take it off again.
Well, no, what we do is once I get to a certain number,
Right.
I put it out there. Who wants a mug? Put your name down and just put it in like a raffle.
Oh, right, okay.
Put it on the computer, put all the names down, do a number generator, and see who wins.
Oh, right, okay then.
Well, I think we're on 193
So we've got a bit of a
subscribers.
way to
So
go.
what should we do? Do one at 200?
Yeah, we could do.
So when we get to 200 subscribers, so get your friends to subscribe to us.
Yeah, come on.
I'll do a giveaway of a mug. Who wants it? Put your name down in the comments. Once we get 200 subscribers, this will be, and then I'll do a random generator, and we'll give one of the mugs away.
Yeah.
So keep an eye on the channel and see when our subscriber base hit 200.
Yep.
If it ever does.
It's got to. Come on, we need some subscribers.
Yeah. Okay, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.
Bye.